So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying my D2O hydration spray just to refreshen up and hydrate my face. The second step that I love to do is apply an oil to my face. You want to make sure that your face is wet before you apply your oils, and the oil that I'm using today is Beautiful Oil by Kjaer Weis. I like to pat it on my skin instead of rubbing it. I'm going to apply one coat of my favorite foundation, which is the Glow Time BB Cream by Iredale. So now I'm going to brighten up my under eye area, and for that I'm using my Fit Glow Beauty Concealer in C1. To set everything in place, I'm going to be applying my Pure Press Powder Foundation by Iredale. Now you can do this all over your face or just around your T-zone where you tend to get oily throughout the day. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the new palette by Iredale in Solar Flare, which is their spring collection. Using Iredale's crease brush, applying the first transition shade all over my lid. Applying the darker shade on the crease, just blending that in a line, and on my lid I'm going to be applying this gorgeous metallic gray in a patting motion. To smoke out my bottom lash line, I'm applying the metallic deep gold red. To clean out the outer edge of my eyeshadow, I like to use the residue of my concealer in my brush. Now I'm going to be doing a wing liner, and I'm using the Iredale liquid eyeliner in black. And I love the applicator that is really nice and thin, so you could create a nice defined line. So you want to create a line going across. And then right here at the outer corner, you just want to make a line going up towards the end of your brow. You want to start right there at the middle of that line and connect that to the other side. And if you guys see that little hollow part, then that's where you want to fill it in. And there you have your winged eyeliner. So now to bring color back to my face, I'm going to be using the new contouring kit by Iredale, which is in color D. This palette features a contouring shade, a blush, and a highlighter. The palette is so pigmented that a little bit goes a long way, so you just want to apply wherever you want to define your features. I'm going to apply a little bit of that highlighting shade on the palette. For blush, I'm going to be adding one of Iredale's new spring collection, and it is in color Sunset. For my lips, I'm going to be applying PureGloss and release 3 new shades for spring. Blossom is a hot pink, Pink Glace is a sheer cool pink with a shimmer, and Spice Peach is a gorgeous coral. Done with the lips, all I did was add a little bit of lip liner by Iredale and Nutmeg. And now to set my makeup, I'm going to be spraying my D2O hydration spray all over. And there you guys have the completed look. I hope you guys love this look. I will leave all the information down below of every product that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and give it a thumbs up.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.